What is going on, guys? So today we're gonna be installing the D series LED pods with the Artec Industries bracket for the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. For this install, we're gonna need a T40 torque socket and then a 4 Allen. Alright, first we're gonna be taking out this torque right here, and then this two, and then same ones on the other side. Alright, let's go ahead and take this one out too, so we could kind of pull this out a little bit and then tuck in the wires before we go bolt in the bracket. Now get your lights, pull this out a little bit, not all the way, just a little bit. Get your lights, set it on the top, squeeze the wire between this gap. Once you do that one, fish it. So there it is, inside the engine bay. Well, not yet, almost. Now get your other lights, same thing. Set it down, take this wire, put it above first one, so same thing, pull it out a little bit, squeeze it in there, fish it out. There you guys have it. So you have both wires coming into, I forgot what this is called, into the engine bay. So once you guys have that in, push this back in. Alright, once you put that back in, so you got both your pods on top and the wire running in. Now gather your nuts and your plastic washers. So you got 2 on top, and then you got 1 big one on the side. You also grab your inner bracket. Take your smaller hole washer, set it on top. Get your inner bracket, set it on top, just like that. Now get your long screw, put in the hole, then one on here, and you screw this in. Just hand tight it. You don't need to tighten this yet. Alright, I can't do this with one hand, but get your outer bracket. Gonna go like this. So to put this on, you're going to need your big hole washer. First you put this on, then the bracket, then slide your bolts in and just hand tighten it. Be careful not to scratch your paint. I already did on mine. It's a little bit though. Go ahead and get your OEM Torx bolt and put it back on the front. So now get everything lined up. Go ahead and tighten the 3 Allen. For these two, you're gonna use a number 4 Allen, and then on this one, you're gonna use a number 5 Allen. Take your bottom LED pod first, the wire behind the bracket. And then the rigids, they have little grooves where you could put the bracket in. So just find the groove, just like that. And then find a hole up, just like that. Now you're gonna get your provided hardware from Rigid, and what you do is put the bolt in there, and then the nut goes in here, so it's self-holding, so you could tighten it without having a wrench behind it. Now take your other set, put it on this side. Now go ahead and get your number 5 Allen and tighten the 2 bolts. Tighten it up so it'll stay straight. Now take your top one, same thing, the wire behind the bracket. There you go. And then slide the bracket into the grooves, just like that. And then put the 2 bolts on each side and the nuts. Tighten everything up, tighten up so it doesn't move. As far as for the wiring, I'm not gonna hook it up yet. I'm still waiting until S-Pod comes out or a light management for the Jeep JL. So as for right now, I am gonna put a plastic on it and wrap it around with electric tape and then tuck it in here. There you guys have it. That is the final product. So I got my spot and I got my flood on the other side. So hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more Jeep install. Peace.